Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical circular saw, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Circular Saw, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best circular saw from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Makita Aluminum 15.2 pound Circular Saw. Experience, power, precision, and performance with the Makita Aluminum 15.2 pound Circular Saw, designed for cutting through tough materials with ease. Equipped with a powerful 15 AIMP motor that delivers 4,300 RPM, this saw is perfect for cutting beams, engineered lumber, and timber. With its impressive cutting capacity of 3 to 13 by 16 inches at 90 degree and 2 to 11 by 16 inches at 45 degree, it handles 4x material in a single pass. Engineered for operator comfort, this circular saw features a well-balanced design, auxiliary front and top handles, and weighs only 15.2 pounds. Precision gearing and ball and needle bearing construction ensures 15.2 pound transmission. Convenience is key, with features like an adjustable top guide for improved cutting accuracy, a flat motor housing for easy blade changes, and large adjustment knobs for quick modifications. Built with magnesium and aluminum components, it's durable yet lightweight. Upgrade your toolkit today with this reliable and versatile Makita circular saw. Number 2. DeWalt 57-degree bevel-corded circular saw. Take on any cutting task with the DeWalt 57-degree bevel-corded circular saw, engineered for power, precision, and versatility. Weighing only 8.8 pounds, this saw is one of the lightest in its class, offering exceptional control without compromising durability. Equipped with a powerful 15mm projectile distribution system, the saw has everything you need and far fewer members. The saw features a 57-degree beveling capacity with stops at 45 degree and 22.5 degree, providing flexibility for various cutting angles. Its 2 to 9 by 16 inch depth of cut capacity ensures precise, deep cuts. The high-grade aluminum base delivers smooth, accurate performance, while the ball-bearing lower guard enhances durability in harsh conditions. Convenience is key with an electric brake for added safety, an integrated dust blower for clear visibility, and a patented tough cord system offering 3 times the durability against cord pullout. Upgrade your toolkit with this lightweight, high-performance circular saw from DeWalt. Number 3. Rockwell 5IMS Dust Port and Starter Compact Circular Saw. Introducing the Rockwell 5-amp Dust Port and Starter Compact Circular Saw, a lightweight and efficient solution for all your cutting needs. Weighing only 5 ounces, this compact saw offers full functionality without the bulk of traditional models. Perfect for making quick rip and plunge cuts, it easily handles 2 into 4s in a single pass, with a cutting depth of up to 1 to 11 by 16 inches at 90 degrees. Powered by a 5-IET motor, it spins the 4 to 1 by 2 inch blade at 3,500 RPM, delivering the cutting power of larger saws while reducing strain and increasing tool lifespan. The ergonomic design and rear motor provide better control and maneuverability, allowing you to work with just one hand. With an easy depth adjustment lever, bevel cutting capability, and a built-in dust port for cleaner cuts, this saw ensures a smoother, more accurate finish every time. Number 4. Dogman Wood Soft Metal Plastic Tile Cutting Circular Saw. The DOVAMAN Wood Soft Metal Plastic Tile Cutting Circular Saw is the ultimate versatile tool for all your cutting needs. Designed to handle woodworking, tile, soft metal, and plastic, this saw comes with 6 blades, 2 4 into 3 by 4 inches TCT blades for wood, 2 4 into 1 by 2 inches blades for tile cutting. Achieve precise cuts with the built-in laser guide and edge guide for straight lines. The saw offers enhanced stability with an extra metal auxiliary handle and a larger 3.5 into 9.5 inch base. Easily adjust the bevel angle from 0 to 45 degree for precise bevel cuts with a max depth of 1 to 3 by 8 inch at 45 degree. For cross-cutting, the adjustable depth lever lets you cut up to 1 to 11 by 16 inches. Safety is paramount, with a dual switch design to prevent accidental activation. Plus, a workshop vacuum adapter keeps your workspace clean. Number 5. SKIL 15 amp left blade Sidewinder circular saw. The SKIL 15 amp left blade Sidewinder circular saw is designed to deliver unmatched power, precision, and durability for professionals. Featuring a 15 amp dual-field TM motor, this saw increases cooling to extend tool life, making it perfect for heavy-duty jobs. Its all-magnesium construction reduces weight and dissipates motor heat, ensuring improved performance and less fatigue during extended use. With the blade positioned on the left, you get improved visibility of both the blade and cut line, enhancing accuracy with every cut. The 56-degree precision beveling capacity allows for a wider range of cuts, making it versatile for various applications. Rely on SKIL's legendary durability and best-in-class torque to power through your projects, improving cutting speed and efficiency. Whether you're working with wood or other materials, this circular saw provides the accuracy, power, and reliability you need to get the job done right. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.